What's up, everyone? This is another bike that I got in a package deal the other day. The video I posted, 4 bikes I got, including a Banshee. So if you guys are into Banshees, go ahead and watch the other video. And then a Blaster. I might be doing a complete rebuild. This is a rare, the Quadzillas 500cc. I have a pink slip for it. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be washing it right now, but just a little bit about it. I picked it up, bundle, and picked it up for a really good price from what I've seen. They're really rare. I've seen online these bikes. Let's see how dirty it is. See how dirty it is? Let's see how good it cleans up. Check out the engine. This thing has lots of compression. Promised it would start. Hasn't started just yet. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the carburetor. It's been sitting for over 2 years. And like I said, they promised it would start, but it hasn't started just yet. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it all up. This bike has insane compression. Plastics have been cut for dune riding. It came with a set of duners as well, dune tires. So like I said, right now I'm just going to be washing it. Up to come in the future videos will be a carb clean. I've never cleaned a carb on this bike, but it does look like the rest of the carburetors I've cleaned before, so it shouldn't be anything new. So if you like this bike, want to see it run, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Any tips for it? I've heard that when you're trying to start these bikes, the piston should be like a little bit above and all the way to the top, and you just kick all the way down. And supposedly it starts easier that way. This is the first bike, other than the dirt bikes, that I had to have a lot of compression. But let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, up to come is clean the carburetor. Hopefully it runs. I was promised it runs. If not, I could take it back. But he ensured that it will start and run for all the bikes except for the Blaster. The Blaster does need a rebuild. But let's go ahead and focus on this bike for now. This is just a quick how it looks before and after. So let's take a look. Take a look at how clean this bike is now. Look at that. Cleans up nice. Cleaned up really good. Look at the pipe. Wow. See my reflection right there. So, also one thing I want to show. I left the gas line unplugged. So when I put it on reserve, you see gas is coming out. That's a good thing. So now I know there's going to be gas going into the carburetor. So let's go ahead and try to kick it over.